Hello, and welcome to Unlock English and Speak.
Hi everyone, I'm Charlotte.
And I'm Leo. We are here to help you unlock your English and speak with confidence.
We speak slowly. We use easy words. This podcast is for absolute beginners, level A1. If you are new, it's okay. We are here to help.
That's right. Today, we have a very important topic.
What is it, Leo?
Today, we are talking about family.
Ah, yes, family. How to talk about your mother, your father, your brothers, and what they do.
It's a key topic. When you meet new people, they often ask about your family.
So, are you ready? Get comfortable. Let's begin.
Okay, Charlotte, the first word is the big one, family.
Family. F-A-M-I-L-Y. Family.
What is a family?
A family is a group of people. Your mother, your father, your siblings, these people are your family.
Yes, we can say, my family is small, or my family is big.
Another example, I love my family. Or, my family lives in Colombia.
Good. Now it's your turn to practice. Listen and repeat the word family. Great job. So in a family, we have parents.
Parents. P-A-R-E-N-T-S. Parents.
Your parents are your mother and your father, two people.
Right. Your mother, we also say mom. And your father, we also say dad.
Example 1, my parents are nice.
Example 2, where are your parents?
Let's repeat those. First, mother. Father. And together, parents. Okay, what about brothers or sisters?
The general word is siblings. S-I-B-L-I-N-G-S. Siblings.
Your siblings are your brothers and your sisters.
For example, I have one brother and one sister, so I have two siblings.
I have one brother. I have one sibling.
What if I have 0 brothers and 0 sisters?
Then you say, I am an only child. Only means just one. Child is you. Only child.
Let's repeat. Brother, sister, siblings.
You are doing great. Okay, Charlotte, we know who the family is. Now, what do they do?
Ah, you mean their jobs?
Yes, this is very common. We need the present simple tense for this.
The present simple is the verb we use for routines, habits, and facts, things that are true today, tomorrow, and were true yesterday.
To ask about a job, we say, what do your parents do?
This is a very polite way to ask, what is their job?
To answer, we use the verb to be. Like in your summary, my mother is a teacher.
Example 2, my father is a doctor.
Example 3, my older brother is a student.
Let's practice the question. Repeat. What do your parents do? And the answer. Repeat. My mother is a teacher.
Now let's talk about activities, things the family does together.
Yes, we also use the present simple for this. For example, my family cooks dinner together.
To cook, C-O-O-K. To cook means to make food, like dinner or lunch.
Wait, Charlotte, you said my family cooks. Why the S?
Great question. For I, you, we, or they, we say cook. I cook, they cook. But for he, she, or it, one person, we add S. He cooks. She cooks. My mother cooks.
Example 1. My father cooks dinner every night.
Example 2. My siblings and I cook on the weekend. No S.
Let's practice. Repeat. He cooks dinner.
What about another activity?
How about to wash up?
Wash up. W-A-S-H-U-P.
Wash up is a phrasal verb. It means to clean the plates after eating.
Example 1. I wash up after dinner.
Example 2. My brother never washes up. Remember the S for he.
Let's try it. Repeat. I wash up.
One more, a very important phrasal verb from your summary. Look after.
Look after. L-O-O-K-A-F-T-E-R.
To look after means to take care of someone, to keep them safe.
Parents look after their children.
Example 2. I look after my younger sister.
Example 3. My grandmother looks after her cat.
This is a good one. Repeat. My parents look after me.
This is great. We have family, jobs, and activities. Leo, we learned so many things. Family, parents, siblings, and he cooks. She is a teacher.
But we must be careful. Family is a wonderful topic, but it is personal.
That's true. It can be a sensitive topic. Sensitive means it is private or emotional.
When you meet a new person, it is okay to ask, do you have siblings? Or what do your parents do? But it is not polite to ask why someone is divorced or why they have no children. These are very personal, private questions.
And in the UK, never ask a person their age.
Yes, that is true. Be polite. Be kind.
Okay, that was a big lesson. You did so well.
Let's do a fast review. A quick summary of our key phrases.
We learned family, parents, mother, father, and siblings, brother, sister. We learned to ask about jobs. What do your parents do?
And how to answer. My mother is a teacher.
We learned the present simple for activities. I cook, he cooks.
And great phrasal verbs. I wash up. I look after my sister.
Wow, that is a perfect lesson. Now, for our motivational phrase of the episode, today's phrase is speaking about your family is speaking about you. Be proud.
I love that. Be proud of your family and be proud of your English practice. Every new word is a victory.
Your homework is to practice. Say one sentence about your family's job or activity. For example, my father cooks dinner. Say it out loud.
Thank you so much for listening to Unlock English and Speak.
Next time, we will talk more about daily routines, waking up, going to bed, and everything in between.
It will be fun. Until next time, keep practicing.
Goodbye.
Bye for now.